Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And HP Victus 15 HDMI port is not working. So how to resolve? So first you have to change the HDMI cable and change the port where you are connected. If you are connected to external monitor or if you are connected to external TV, so you have to change it. Okay. Then next click to start and then click to setting. After that click to system and then click to display. After that click to multiple display and after that it will detect the external monitor. Okay. Click to detect. Okay, so it will detect when you connect, and you can connect the wireless display also. Okay, you can like casting purpose. Okay, and this is your, if you are connected like HDMI to, it will have to click here, so it will detect it. Okay, and then close it. Next, reset the graphic card driver. So click to in your keyboard. Okay, so click to control Windows, control Shift and D. After that your screen will be refreshed. This means reset your driver. And next update the graphic card driver. So open any browser, Google search box to type like that HP Victus 15, and after that you can see this is hp.support.com, this official website. You have to click this, and you can see here different versions there, but select only Windows 11 and then click to OK and scroll down. After that you can see this is graphic card driver and extract this. So Intel, Nvidia graphic, Intel, and always try to latest one. Okay, which is your Intel or Intel, and this is a latest, and try to click show more to, you can download directly, otherwise you can click here. So after that it will start, so it will take some time, and double click to next install it. Okay, then next click to start, type device manager, open it, full screen, extract universal silver bus, extract this, and always select right click to update driver. Oh sorry, need to have uninstall first. Uninstall, after it will remove the all. Okay, and then restart your system and then please check it guys. Thank you.